Today I'm going to be unboxing the loofahs. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Sunday Rain. Invigorated. I can't pronounce this. Look, see, I can't pronounce that. Look, I can't pronounce that. Loofah soap. I don't know how to pronounce that. I think I got it right. Loofah soap, acai berry extract. I don't know how to pronounce that. Savon loofah polish plus glance. Today, let's just peel the back. It's vegan friendly, gluten free, not tested on animals. Nice. Okay, let's just peel this. Yeah, got that off. Get through this pretty soft wrapping. Oh, it looks very beautiful. I'm gonna smell it. It smells good. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the Jameson Show, and if you have the notification bell, hit that too, so you never miss a video. Also, you will become a member of the Jameson Show. Bye!